You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting country names that too many mispronounce. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning about correct pronunciations. How do you say it? United or United in American English. Arab Emirates. United Arab Emirates. United Arab Emirates. United Arab Emirates. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounce. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.